Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add comments and notes in Google Sheets. And here's how it's done. Adding a comment. Comments are collaborative. They are tied to your Google account. Others can reply and you can assign them. Steps. Right-click the cell where you want to add a comment. Type your message, then click comment to post. Extra features. Tag someone with @name to notify them. Assign a task by checking assign to when tagging. Adding a note. Notes are simpler. They are just static text attached to a cell, not collaborative. Steps. Right-click the cell. Select Insert Note. Type your text. A small black triangle appears in the corner of the cell. Hover over the cell to read the note. And that is everything to know about how to add comments and notes in Google Sheets. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.